Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3 here in Asheville. We're working on a reused 12 by 12 canvas. People ask me all the time, how do I prep my reused canvases? Well, 90% of the time I know as soon as I'm done pouring it, whether it's a keeper or not. So if it's not, I scrape it. I scrape all the paints into a paper plate that I hold right here. And then I pinch the paper plate and put it in my slop bucket. And then before I use it, I strain those paints in case there are any goobers or anything in there. If it's a canvas that has dried, generally, I check the smoothness of it. If it's nice and smooth, I don't do anything to it other than clean it off for any dust and debris that might have settled on it. If there are some goobers, I give it a light sanding with a very fine sandpaper, use my blow dryer and blow off any of the debris left behind, and then I wipe it down usually with what's it called, those fiber-free cloths, and then paint right on top of it. So that's what I do. This one I scraped as soon as I was done. I knew I didn't like it. So 12 by 12 canvas, and we are going to be doing some ring pours, but a few multiple little ring pours right on top of each other. And I'm excited about these colors. I'm trying to use up some of my paints that just have a little bit of paint in them, or marry them with other bottles of paints, because I have like 3 different bottles of burnt sienna. I've got 6 little bottles of the Cure, the nickel azo gold. So we're using them up. In this yummy cup right here, we have golden fluids, and that is the carbon black. Right here we have a beautiful, beautiful warm hue golden fluids in the burnt sienna. Yummy color right here, golden fluids in the Indian yellow hue. My fave, the Q word, golden fluids in the nickel azo gold. This right here is a combination of the last bit of iridescent pearl fine that I had in this bottle, and I added to it some interference gold fine. So it has a little shimmeriness of gold to it, which I think will be real pretty with these colors. And right here is just a hodgepodge of things. It is the last of my Arteza bronze, you can see. A couple of squirts of the last of the burnt umber light, and a tablespoon or so of the DECOART metallics in the 24 karat gold. So kind of nice, warm, yummy, yummy colors. I've got a flow extender that's in this cup right here. This is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. Now our pouring medium today is a little different. My good friend Yen from Yen C Art over in Germany brought this to me at the Fluid Art Experience in Seattle. He uses it and I love it. If you like your thick paints, this is the way to go. This is Basics 2-in-1 Pouring Medium by Malverk. Now, I have not seen if this is available to us here in the States, but if you like thick paints, Mac, if you haven't used this, you will love it. It's thick as thick can be. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you how thick it is. Hold on one second. So this is our regular Floetrol that we use. I mix mine with Liquitex Pouring Medium and a little bit of GAC 800. Let's put a little dab of that right there. And Malverk Basics 2-in-1 Pouring Medium. This stuff glops out. Hang on one second. Glop. I should have used a bigger plate. Oh, well, that's not a good comparison. It's very hard to see, but the Malverk is 3 times as thick as the US Floetrol that we use. So it's really good when you need to use thicker paints for your ring pours, traveling ring pours, or whatever you're doing with thick paints. So there you have it, guys. That's what we're doing today. I'm working on a small canvas because I'm checking out this color scheme. And if it works out, we'll do something on a bigger canvas, guys. Thanks so much for being here. Let's get busy.
So we go.